So today was painting day and it's almost done. Just the top there. These are like 2 layers or 2 hands or 2 rounds of paint. Just the little top, the little tip is missing, but it's looking good. Take a look. Whew. And today no hurting, no nothing. My finger is recovering. Yeah. Take a look, guys. Tomorrow we'll be done. Woo. And again, today came to harass a lady this time. Really aggressive, unfortunately, but I explained. And in the end, people sometimes just feel a little bit jealous. They wanted to be able to use it. And I explained, go to the beach, enjoy there, but right, would you like me to come to your house and bring my dog to poop in your yard like you just did here? And I did not complain. She said, yeah, no. I say, well, so don't do to the others what you don't want for yourself, right? That's it. Friend visiting me. See my girl. See my girl. Hi, come here. You're gonna bite me a little bit. You want a little bread? I'll get you some bread. Don't bite me, I'm hurt. I'll get you some bread, okay? I'll get you some bread right here. Don't be scared. No, don't be scared. I'll get you some bread. So, eu tenho minha amiga Pavoa, sei lá como é que é o nome. E eu vou dar um pedacinho de pão pra ela. Pera aí. Eles são muito queridos. So I have my friend there, and I will try to give them some bread because they're so sweet, right? So I love animals, so let's take care of them. Hi, my girl. No, come here. Come here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Little bear. Hi, come here. Hi, so good, right? Come here. One more here. Closer to me. Hey, I didn't mean to scare you. Hi, girl. Oh, be careful with your beak. Viu que docinha? Aqui, bebê. Aqui, come. Ela tá assustada. Come teu pãozinho, amor. Come. Go for your little bread, baby. Que legal, né? A natureza linda. Ah, que bebê. Call your friend. Where's the other baby? Don't be scared. It's fine. Go for your bread. Where's the other girl? I thought the other girl was here. Well, she's not, so you can eat everything. Updates from today. Enjoy. As soon as I have another girlfriend. Now you come to me, right? With this little tail, Stinky. Come here. Huh? Before you were ignoring me. Now you're so cute. See my boy. Hello, guys. We're gonna take a picture together. Timo, girl. Go, Stinky. What? What? Are you calling me? What do you want, girl? You want some pizza? I have pizza for you. You want pizza? Oh, boo boo. You don't even get food. You don't ask for food. You just want caresses. Let me get you some pizza. Pizza is good. Let's try some pizza. Not ideal for cats, but well, the extra salt may help her to get rid of any bladder, kidney issue. It's not ideal, but sometimes a little extra salt may help them to address like kidneys issues. So we're gonna give her. Come on, girl. Hey, you're talking to me. Okay, you want it? You don't want food, right? Oh, come on. Get some food. You like it? Ah, you like it? Ah, finally. Achoo boo boo. But that, don't do that to your cat. This is just me. We're enjoying, guys. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. That's my friend that makes the drinks for me. Aquele ali é o meu amigo que faz os drinks pra mim.